Do you want to know how to connect your USB-C headphones to your Xbox, but you don't know where to start? It's frustrating when you just want to enjoy your game with great sound, but you can't figure out the connection. Don't worry, you're not alone, and today I'm going to show you how to easily connect your USB-C headphones to your Xbox in just a few steps. So, first, you're going to try using a USB-C to USB adapter. This simple tool will help you connect your headphones to your Xbox controller. Just plug the adapter into your controller's USB port, then plug your headphones into the adapter. Pretty simple. If that doesn't work, consider using a Bluetooth adapter. Some USB-C headphones are Bluetooth enabled already, and a Bluetooth adapter will allow your Xbox to connect wirelessly to your headphones. Okay? Another option is to check for Xbox compatible USB-C headphones. Some newer models are specifically designed to work with Xbox, and you won't need any extra adapters, all right? Don't forget to check your Xbox audio settings. So that's to make sure that your audio output to the correct settings are ensured for the sound to work properly in your headphones. Finally, if you have issues, updating your Xbox system software might help fix any compatibility problems with your headphones, all right? So if you're ready to enjoy gaming with great sound, hit that like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for being here.